Are you wondering why students keep on choosing Bicol University? What does this school offer? Is it really worth it to pursue your studies here? These are just some of the questions that might pique your curiosity. So what are you waiting for? Let us find out the wonders of Bicol University. Welcome to Bicol University, College of Business, Economics, and Management, where you can find happiness and sadness. So, let me take you to the world of BS Accountancy. Bicol University is one of the outstanding academic institutions here in Bicol region that offers the best foundation and remarkable performance in the field of accountancy and is known to be the home of top-notchers. The Department of Accountancy is composed of roster of faculty who are academically qualified and professionally competent, full-time faculty members and professorial lecturers possessing both technical and professional expertise in the field of specialization. A strong emphasis on faculty development is placed in order to further the personal and professional advancement of faculty members through continuing professional development or the CPD programs. Faculty members of the program are CPA licensure examination reviewers affiliated with regional and national formal CPA review schools in the country and are also authors of the various textbooks and instructional review materials along with specialization subjects in accounting, auditing, finance, and financial management. Aba syempre meron! Last May 2022, the Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examination, the Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management once again proved to be the home of the top-notch, where Emmanuel Z. Jerusalem and Bethany Jane I. Carizo claimed the top 6 and 7 spots respectively. Meanwhile, 16 other alumni also passed the same board exams, achieving a 46% passing rate. But in October si BEM gained a 51% passing rate with a total of 41 passers. Moreover, it can be recalled that last year, the university landed on the unofficial list of the best schools for accountancy in the Philippines with a board exam passing rate of 76%.
Choosing to learn and take the accounting major stemmed from my interest to be involved in the business field while serving the people, being familiar with various business operations, and having to be a part of something that would greatly affect the business, the company, or the country's economic state are something that I am passionate about. I also choose the accountancy course because of the high demand of occupations and professions that fall within the course, which is great opportunity to take. People always ask, mahirap ba ang BS Accountancy? Yes, it is. As an accountancy student, you need a lot of courage, motivation, and determination to continue this course and take the risk for your dream to have the CPA title. Accountancy is hard to study, especially the major subjects. Honestly, most of the time, we are struggling to study like you already know and understand the lesson. But when there is a quiz or exam, ang hirap i-apply ng mga natutunan. Deadlines are very tight, you have to study long hours, and there is so much responsibility.
As accountancy students, we experience a lot of ups and downs, breakdowns, low scores, and even get zero, and not passing the subjects to the point that you will think to shift to another course. And may times pa na pati 1+1 kailangan pa namin gamitan ng calculator. BS Accountancy is indeed a very tough course. Some experienced anxiety and depression because aside from the pressure we had on our shoulders, we also have personal battles to deal with. This course proved and made us realize that your achievements in the past are not constant. Di porket matalino at magaling ka noon, it will not be the same as what it is now. You have to study and work harder and smarter to maintain the retention grade of 2.4. If not, you will take the comprehensive examination and if you cannot pass, you don't have a choice but to transfer to another school or take the cost recovery program. Sometimes you'll ask yourself if it's still worth it to continue this tuition course and just give up without a fight. Ika nga nila, experience is the best teacher. So just learn from it and continue your journey.
Good, better, best, never let it rest.
Till your good is better and your better is best.
Malayo ka pa, pero malayo ka na. Future CPAs, heads up! We are near.